follow your lead. Hands down, my mind's made up, you're the best I ever had. Hands down.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Whenever you're watching this, I hope you're doing good. I am basically getting ready for Christmas Eve at the moment, and I figured I'd show you guys 3 holiday looks that I came up with.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.
And then after that, we are going to go into my stay at the YVE Hotel in downtown Miami. Talk about all things hotel. How was the food? How was the stay? How was the crazy wind that was this weekend in Miami? And hope you enjoy. Okay, hold on. Look at this beautiful view. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
This is my sister Ashley.
Everyone knows me, I'm famous.
Good morning, good afternoon. We are going to explore around the hotel, go to Bayside, go to some restaurants.
Get some food.
Yeah, and maybe some
excited.
drinks. And take you guys along the way. Let's go. Let's go.
Do you have the key?
Oh, really? Do you have the key? Just posing with the moves. Bueno, mi gente, hola, ¿cómo están?
Hola, ¿cómo
Vamos
estás?
a hablar en español para Cari Moreno.
Sí.
Para que ella pueda
Estoy aquí.
escucharme hablar en español.
You're doing great, sweetie.
We are here at your local Chili's. So go, go, go. What do you want for Christmas this year? Welcome to Bayside. What's there to do here? What's in the backpack?
To take pictures.
Outfits, full of outfits. Wait, and this is dangerous because I don't have any camera straps on here.
Ella es una bloguera.
Wow. Okay, go, keep going.
I just feel like I need
Go.
more like
Working. Bitch. Yes, give it to me. Guys, I was editing and I noticed that I did not film an outro, so this is my outro. Overall, I highly recommend staying at the YVE Hotel. It was so much fun. I loved the location. I'm from Miami, but I have never stayed there before in downtown Miami. So it was very cool to be a tourist in my own city. I love the rooms. We had an awesome view and we were facing the street, and even though we were facing the street, we could not hear, you know, like the street or any kind of like annoying noise. What else? Breakfast vouchers and drink vouchers were included. They were like 2 per person per day, which is really, really cool. And you are so central to everything in Miami that's fun or exciting to do. For example, Bayside's across the street, you have Brickell 5 minutes away, Wynwood 5 minutes away, the beach maybe 10 minutes away or less, depends on traffic, but very fun. And if anybody is going to visit Miami and is looking for a place to stay, I highly recommend the YVE. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your week. Bye!